Today, we are going to talk about the benefits of drinking warm water in the morning, and it's related to weight loss. Hi, this is Zia and welcome to Holistic Nomads TV, where ancient wisdom and modern science can help you to have more clarity and energy in your life. So, today we are going to talk about the amazing benefits of drinking warm water in the morning and also throughout the day. And today's class is going to be divided into two parts. The first one, I'm going to share with you about the benefits of drinking warm water. And the second part, I'm going to share with you about one recipe of the decoction tea that Kimmana and I made to help gently detoxify the blood. The first reason why is it so beneficial to drink warm water in the morning is that warm water helps to cleanse the digestive tract. Warm water tightens the intestines and optimizes eliminations. It also helps to flush out the toxin we have accumulated from the day before by breaking down the food much faster. That's why by drinking it first thing in the morning, it helps to relieve constipation and makes us go to the toilet, especially if you haven't done so. Second reason, why is it beneficial to drink warm water first thing in the morning? Because it helps with the weight loss. It is because due to the fact that warm water can help to increase the body temperature, which in turn increases the metabolic rate, which then burns more calories and help the intestinal tract and kidneys to function better. Especially if the warm water mixed with ginger, it can help to dissolve ama, or also known as toxic byproduct from the body. On the other hand, a glass of cold water actually hardens the oil in consumed food and creates a fat deposit in the stomach. Cold water can also create bloating due to the vata quality of coldness. The third reason why is it so beneficial to drink warm water in the morning is that warm water can help to alleviate menstrual and other bodily pain. It is because warm or hot water increases the blood flow, relaxes, calms, and soothes the nerve systems, and hence helps to alleviate pain. Remember, pain related with vata, and warmth is one of the ways to balance vata. Now, the fourth benefits of drinking warm water in the morning is that it can help to prevent premature aging. Warm water helps to repair our skin cells, increases the elasticity and glow of the skin, and then cleanses the body from toxins, or also known as ama, that can lead to premature aging. Now, on the second part of today's class, I'm going to share with you about the special blood tonic tea that Kimmana formulated for me. He made it for me because every time I live in Indonesia, and especially when the temperature is really, really hot, I get too much heat on my blood, and that will represent in my face as a form of red acne. So this blood tonic tea is specifically designed to gently pull out excess heat in the blood, and it also tonifies the blood at the same time. So what is the recipe? Here it is. 2 sticks of licorice or half tablespoon of licorice powder, 1 stick of wild yam, 4 small sticks of Sariva, or also known as anantamul, or you can use 1 tablespoon of powdered version of Sariva, 1 pieces of dried Bael fruits, 2 sticks of lingzi, or also known as reishi mushroom, 2 pieces of Chinese red dates, 1 teaspoon of Gokshura, or also known as tribulus, 1 teaspoon of bala, and lastly, 1 tablespoon of Gudduchi. It is actually very, very simple to make this blood tonic tea. First, you just need to put all of the herbs that I mentioned earlier in the 5 liters of water and bring that to boil. Once it comes to a boiling point, then you simmer it for around 20 minutes. And then you turn it off and let it steep for 10 minutes, because while waiting for the temperature to go down, as you can't drink it anyway, at the same time, the herbs will accumulate at the bottom of the pot. This is good so that when later you drink the tea or you want to store in the thermos, you're not going to drink the herbs, because at this point the herbs is already within the water, so you don't need to drink the herbs at all. Now, as you wait for the tea to cool down, you don't need to stir the tea because you only want to scoop out the water without the herbs, as I mentioned earlier. For functionality, it is better to store the tea inside a big thermos so you can drink the tea for the rest of your day. Or you can even drink it for tomorrow, depends on the quality of your thermos. For even more practicality and efficiency for you in your busy modern life, I usually make it later in the day or in the evening so that in the morning when I need warm water, then it is ready for me to drink straight away and warm my belly. Now, theory without practice is wasteful, because hearing leads to forgetting, teaching leads to remembering, and applying leads to mastering. That's why I will encourage you to leave a comment below and share one learning insight from this video. Also, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you will be the first to hear about our future educational videos. And for more resources on health and healing, check out our website holisticnomads.com. There you will find articles, quizzes on Ayurveda, loads of free downloads, and of course, our future events and courses. Thank you so much for watching. We hope it's been beneficial for you. Hope to see you next week. Bye! This class will be differentiated, not differentiated, will be divided, sorry.